Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Unplug the controller and power cycle, both devices, to reduce short risk. Use a bright light and inspect the port. You want to know if pins are bent, blocked, or corroded. Once done, remove the top sticker and screws with a T8 security driver. Keep screws in a small container so they don't get lost. Make sure to work on a static-free surface, because electrostatic damage can ruin the controller. You now remove the shell and expose the board. Be gentle with ribbon cables and take photos so you can reassemble correctly. Once exposed, use a multimeter to check continuity on the USB pads and visually align pins. This tells you whether the port or traces failed. If the port is loose, you reflow solder with a small iron and flux, or replace the port entirely. Steady heat prevents lifted pads, so work deliberately and secure the board. You finish by reassembling in reverse, making sure the ribbon sits flush and screws are snug but not over-tightened. Once assembled, test with a known good USB cable and the console to confirm charging and data transfer. This verifies the repair. If it still fails, perform a controller firmware reset, and if problems persist, consider swapping the PCB or contacting support. This helps isolate whether the issue is mechanical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.